Alright guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how I made my tripod hold two video lights. This is basically to save floor space. You may be following my home studio setup guide I'm doing for videos, and I had two light stands alongside my tripod to hold these lights up, and it's a bit of a pain because you keep tripping over them, so I'm just thinking of ways to reduce the floor space taken up by all these tripods. So in this video I'm just showing you how I've done this. So you'll see the Godox tripod I've got is one of the old ones, and I've basically pulled out the center pole, and I'm using that center pole to check the diameter, and I'll show you the next few steps here. I'm just in the garage now. We've got all the tools set up, and I'm going to show you in this video how I've basically adapted it, and you'll see the end look at the end of the video as well. And I thought it was quite good because you can collapse it down and take it with you anywhere you want as well. So in that case, just see if this applies to you and if it helps you out.
One camera, one tripod.